Hey everyone! In this video, I'm excited to walk you through the quick voice feature on ThinkBuddy. Let's start by setting up a hotkey for the quick voice, so you can bring it up anytime with just a key press on your keyboard. First, head over to the settings and hit the chat tab. You'll spot quick voice right there. Click on the hotkey field and decide on a hotkey that suits you. Let's, for instance, pick Option plus L. I'll just press Option and L together on my keyboard and it's ready to go. For instance, I'll ask aloud, "Can you explain the theory of relativity?" And just like that, it dishes out the answer. Once I've got the answer, it's easy to copy. Or if I want to dive deeper, I simply hit Continue in Chat to keep the conversation going. You can even use your own custom prompts to tailor the responses. ThinkBuddy understands any language you speak and converts your spoken words into text almost instantly. So why wait? Join the ThinkBuddy family now. Make your workday smoother and more enjoyable.